Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block spam calls on Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the phone or call application. This is the green icon with a white telephone receiver, usually located at the bottom of your home screen or in your app drawer. This app is where you manage your calls and view call history. Step 2. Now, look carefully at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 small vertical dots. This is also known as the More Options menu, and tap on it. Step 3. Next, a small menu will pop up with several options. From this list, select Settings. This will take you into the Call Settings screen, where you can manage various features related to calls. Step 4. Now that you're in the call settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Caller ID and Spam Protection. Tap on this to access the Spam Call Settings menu. Step 5. Inside this menu, you'll likely notice that Caller ID and Spam Protection is turned off by default. Simply tap on the switch to turn it on. This feature uses Samsung's partnership with Hiya to detect suspected spam and scam calls. Step 6. Now under the same section, find Block Spam and Scam Calls. Again, this option may be turned off. Tap on it and select the option to block all spam and scam calls. This way, these annoying calls won't even ring on your phone. Step 7. For the last and most important step, go back to the previous settings menu and find block numbers and tap on them. In this section, toggle on the option that says Block Calls from Unknown Callers. This ensures that calls from numbers not saved in your contacts are automatically blocked. And that's it. You've just taken some solid steps to reduce or eliminate spam calls on your Samsung phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.